Morning guys, so it's a little bit of an early one for me this morning. Got up early because the light is amazing, the waves are going to be super nice. So I'm just going to finish off getting my stuff together, pop down to the spot, meet the boys and get a little session in. I've got my GoPro as well today, so you should see some video footage as well as some pictures. We'll see you there. So I'm just going to go get my car and then pop back down to the house because I couldn't be bothered to carry all my camera stuff up, so yeah. I've done it again, I'm getting another drive-through. Sweet, so I'm on the road, just picked up a coffee on the way. Driving to the spot now. Yeah, I'll just pop down there, see what it's saying and go from there.